Alright, Mr. Lucas, we're just going to show you that your broiler is lighting. Go ahead and put the match there. You have to light it with a match or a barbecue lighter. And that's the way you light it. And you can see the flame is higher. And you just adjust this knob by turning it down to make it lower. I believe you already know how to use this stove anyway. Now turn it off. We have a fan blowing in here. That's the front burner. That's the other front burner. And that's the back burner. So all of those light just fine. Okay. This is your well. The top is going to be warm because there's a pilot in it. You can see that lit up nicely. And that's on high. We're going to turn that down a little lower. Alright. You see that light? This is inside your oven. Alright, and so I just want to show you, now you have the on-off switch that you always had. I have the thermostat set to 350 right now. And we're going to turn the oven on. And if you notice, the flames lit right up. They should light up within 1 to 2 seconds, no more than that. Okay? Just want to take another video. Let me turn it the right way to show you that how you lower your thing. Your griddle goes down and it goes up without a problem. The stove works really well. I don't know if your light is plugged in. Let's just try and see. Yep. Okay. So you can see we still have the oven going. And that's the left side of the oven. All these handles got re-chromed. Your knobs got redone. Everything got redone. The chrome accents got redone. This is your safety system in your storage compartment, and there's a storage tray that goes over this. There's a little bit of brown showing up here, but they're going to take care of that before the stove goes out. It always gets scratched up. Your racks and your inner rack supports were also re-chromed, and I'm going to take a picture because it shows up better.